Is it playing?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Can't touch this. So, hey, we have been working hard on getting this bunkie finished. So we got the drip edge here that we put on the sides, and we bent the drip edge that goes up on the gable ends to be the right measurement so that when it comes down and gets cut at a 45, it'll end up fitting perfectly with the end here. But we got to cut this at an angle and the other one at an angle so they'll meet, and that'll make it look more finished.
How's it going up there, Tim?
I am putting tape in a very irritating spot.
I can sympathize.
Building log ends underneath my son.
Fun. This is where we put masking tape ahead of time and ran out of time to put the caulking, so be a bit of work to recoup on this one. Filling the gap between the outhouse and kitchenette. Spray painted this to match the roof. Floor's going in.
Yep.
So Tim and I have been working hard on this today. Got a lot of the edges done. The corners are the most painful because they just have so many intersecting points with each other piece, and it takes forever.
after having quite a few guests come through. Still have guests coming tomorrow, but the peak is going up. So we had to be creative and safe, keyword. So there we go. 2 tractors, ladders aren't going anywhere. And get this peak going. So we got all the spaces marked to be cut so that the grooves go into the roofing. So I'm getting ready on my little tractor lift here to finish up the last coat of stain. Woohoo!
If you could share, like, subscribe, that'd be great to see more and everything. And life is an adventure. Join us for ours.